Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to set or change the location name in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 operating system. So you may be having multiple networks or computer in different location. So to identify where is your computer located, this command will be useful for you. So I open the terminal, login as a root user. So type the command hostnamectl. So using hostnamectl command only, we are going to set the location. So you can see there is no location is set so far. So this is the command to set the location name. Hostname space set hyphen location name. Set hyphen location space location name. So you can see that I have set the location as a Chennai now. So location name is got set successfully. So you can also modify the location name or delete the location name. So by giving the empty string in double quotes. So you can see that location name is got deleted. So once again I am putting back because I need a location name. So I am giving some other location name. So this is the way you can set the location in RHEL 9.